ladies, gentlemen, all the good boys and good girls, friends and family of the bride and groom, welcome and thank you for being here on this important day. And apologies in advance for my dog puns, they're really quite corgi, but just want to chihuahua. We are gathered together to celebrate the very special puppy love between Monnie and Dexter by joining them in holy patrimony. And I think we can all agree they're both looking quite fetching today. Now some may already be familiar with the tale of how we all came here to be today, but for those that aren't, when they first met, Monnie made Dexter quite hot under the collar, but it seemed he was barking up the wrong tree. See, Monnie just saw him as a young pup, a little whippet snapper just chasing tail, bad to the bone. They used to wag school together, and some could say Dexter was leading her astray, and Monnie almost fled. But Dexter changed his ways for her, as he just had to retrieve her. And he did, even if she had him on a short leash. From that day on, what began as puppy love has blossomed into something much, much more. Now we can all agree they've been through some rough pooches, but they've come out the other side. No longer lone wolves, they now have each other. Now if anyone has any objections to this marriage, wolf now or forever hold your bark. And with that, I now pronounce you lawfully wedded husband and wife. And last but not least, you may now sniff her butt. I'll ask you all to raise your glasses to Monnie and Dexter as we celebrate their forever puppy love. Now it's time to crank up the subwoofer, go for a doggy paddle in the pool, and get pug and drunk. It's time to raise the woof on this doggy wedding.